Hey guys, welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy,
I'm Kay.
and today we're going to be doing a half up, half down hairstyle tutorial, and it is going to be the hairstyle that she's going to wear to her school Valentine's dance, her middle school Valentine's dance. And on our beauty channel, ASK Beauty and More, she just filmed a makeup tutorial for how she's going to wear her makeup to her Valentine's school dance. So I will link that in the description bar down below for you. Be sure to go check that out if you're interested. Without any further ado, let's jump right on into the tutorial. Okay, so to start this look, I've just added some texturizing spray to her hair to give it a little more grit, a little more volume, make it easier to hold the braid that we're going to do. And I've also placed it sectioned off a section in the front of her hair and placed it in a little poofy ponytail here. And the hair we're going to work with is in this ponytail here. We're just going to split this into 3. And we're going to start a regular braid. You're going to want to make the braid a little loose, not super tight, because we're going to pancake it. We're going to make it a little puffy and floofy. So you're just going to do a regular 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom of the hair. When you've reached the end of the braid, you're just going to take a small elastic and secure it. And we're just going to pancake the braid a little bit. Just tug on the edges and loosen it up. Now we're going to make a bun, and there's 2 ways you can do this. You can start like this, wrap it around this way, and tuck the ends under. And it makes like a cute little flower bun. Or you can tuck the ends and roll the braid up like this. And run it around, like spread it out so that it looks like a flower. I'm going to do the first way, but either way you want to do is fine. So I'm just going to wrap the braid around itself like this. When you get to the end, you just want to tuck the ends under. And bobby pin. Once you have it secured with bobby pins, you can go back and you can tug on any parts of the braid that you want to pull out more so that it stands out more. And then you have your bun. Looks like a cute little flower. And with the rest of the hair, you can straighten it, add some curl, anything you want to do with the rest of the hair. It's totally up to you. And that's the finished look. And there you have a cute half up braided flower bun style. to wear to any event you want to. This is just the style that she's going to be wearing to her school dance for Valentine's Day. Give them a little spin. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. And hit the notification bell beside of the subscribe button so you get notified when we upload more cute hairstyle tutorials in the future. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.